Hello friends. Now today we are going to calculate second example of comparative profit and loss statement. Remember basic thing friends. We have completely learned final account of company. In comparative for comparative treatment, this is the basic. Profit and loss account first operation from revenue from operation, then other revenue or other income, then total revenue, expenses, in expenses, cost of goods sold, employee benefit expenses, financial cost, depreciation, and other expenses. Then profit before tax, total revenue minus total expense, then income tax, and then profit after tax. This is the basic difference. So first, revenue from operation, sales, rupees 15 lakhs. In 18, 15 lakhs. In 19, 24 lakhs. So there is increase in sales, rupees 9 lakhs. Or 24 minus 15, 9 lakhs. Now for percentage, fifth column divided by third column, 9 lakhs. Rough reference, 9 lakh divided by 15 lakh into 100. So it comes 60%. Other income friends is dividend is your other income 5 lakhs 5,000 and 9,000, so increase 5,000 4,000. So percentage 4,000 divided by 5,000 into 100 means 80%. So total revenue is 15 lakh 5,000 and 24 lakh 9,000. So there is increase 9 lakh 4,000. Now 9 lakh 4,000 friends divided by 15 lakh 5,000 into 100 is equal to 9 lakh 4,000 divided by 15 lakh 5,000 into 100. So there will be 60.07%. Now, cost of goods sold 10 lakhs and 18 lakhs. 10 lakhs, 18 lakhs. So increase 8 lakhs. 8 lakh by 10 lakh into 100. 8 lakhs by 10 lakhs into 100 is equal to 80%. Now, employee benefit expenses 1 lakhs and 1 lakh 20,000. So increase 20,000. 20,000 by 1 lakh into 100, 20% different. Financial cost is debenture interest. So debenture interest 10,000 and 13,000. So increase of interest is 3,000. 3,000 by 10,000 into 100, so 30%. Now depreciation 10,000 and 10,000. So there isn't any increase or decrease in depreciation. So 0. Here dash. And other expenses, office expense 5,000 and 7,000. So you increase 2,000. 2,000 by 5,000 into 100, 40%. Now, so total expense is 10 plus 11, 11 lakh 25,000. 18 lakh plus 120 plus 13 plus 10 plus 7, 19 lakh 50,000. Increase in expenses rupees 8 lakh 25,000. So percentage is equal to 8 lakh 25,000 divided by 11 lakh 25,000 into 100. 8 lakh 25,000 friends divided by 11 lakh 25,000 into 100 is equal to 73.33%. And so now profit before tax is equal to total income 15 lakh 5,000 minus 11 lakh 25,000, so 3 lakh 80,000. 24 lakh 9,000 minus 19 lakh 50,000, 4 lakh 59,000. 4,59,000. 9,04,000 minus 8,25,000 increase 79,000. So tax is equal to 79,000 divided by 3,80,000 into 100. So percentage is equal to 79,000 by 3,80,000. 79,000 is equal to 73.33. 23,700 percentage of income tax 30%. 3,80,000 into 30 is 1,14,000. So profit after tax 2,66,000. 4,59,000 minus 30% is 1,30,000. 1,37,700. Deduct this item from this. So profit after tax 3,21,300. 79,000 79,000 by 380 into 100. Check out percentage. So you can do this example in this way. Once again, first remember heading: revenue from operation, other income, total revenue, expenses, cost of goods sold, employee benefit expenses, financial cost, depreciation and other expenses. Then profit after tax, and then income tax, and then profit after tax. We will carry on next time, friends. Thank you.